Hey guys, welcome back to another upSchool video. Today our lesson is about how long can COVID-19, also known as coronavirus and SARS-CoV-2, survive on surfaces. Suppose you return home from outside. As soon as you come to your house, you run over to the faucet in the kitchen to wash your hands with soap for 20 seconds. After that, you put down your phone and you go over to take a bath. You have taken major precautions. 1. Washing your hands immediately after returning home, and 2. Taking a bath after returning home. These are effective, but you are missing one precaution that you must take. That is your phone. But I'll get back to that later. Anyway, in these COVID-19 times, there are about, which by the way has led to 1 million positive cases, we have to be extra safe. You see, when you take your phone outside, virus droplets may get to your phone. And those virus droplets can live in your phone for 5 days. And if you don't wash your phone, those virus droplets will still be there. And in this 5-day period, you will probably touch your phone again because I don't think no one in this modernized world can last at least 1 day without their phone. Anyway, if you touch your phone, now the virus droplet has gotten into your hand. And if you put your hand in your mouth, unfortunately the virus droplets go into your body and boom, you have COVID-19. That's why, as well as washing your hands, make sure you wash your phone as well. Anyway, let's begin with our lesson. How long can COVID-19 survive on items? Hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's begin. Number 1. Tap water. Whether it comes out of your faucet or the tap outside in your backyard, COVID-19 can survive in tap water for 3 hours. Number 2. Suppose you have a copper pot in your house. If in case virus droplets get into that copper pot, you can survive in that copper pot for 4 hours. Number 3. On fabric, COVID-19 can survive in fabric for 1 day. So if you're ever returning home, if you notice that you're wearing fabric, since you have gone outside, make sure you wash your clothes in the laundry. So if in case virus droplets are there, they'll be washed off. Number 4. Polyester. If you're wearing polyester, COVID-19 can survive on that for 1.0833 days, or 26 hours. Number 5. On paper or cardboard, COVID-19 can survive on those for 30 to 40 hours, or 1.5 days. Better think twice before you pick up your newspaper tomorrow morning. Number 6. Stainless steel. Whether it's a stainless steel cup or a stainless steel plate, COVID-19 can survive on any stainless steel plate for 72 hours, or 3 days. Number 7. On plastic, whether it's a plastic bag or a plastic water bottle, COVID-19 can survive on plastic for 76 hours, or 3.6667 days. Number 8. On a wooden table or any hard surface, such as countertops and a wooden table, COVID-19 can survive on a hard surface or a wooden table for 4 days. Number 9. On your phone, or on the doorknob, or your jewelry, or any other kind of metal, COVID-19 can survive on metal for 5 days. So make sure you clean your doorknobs every once in a while, and if you're ever wearing jewelry, or an Apple Watch, suppose, when you return home, make sure you wash it in hot water And make sure to wash it with soap as well. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and keep on washing your hands, make sure you cough in your mouth, and share this video to all your friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button with notifications so you can watch more videos like this. Stay tuned for more CBSE videos and COVID-19 videos. Check out our previous videos, and comment down below if you learned something new. I'll be happy to read all your comments and also give any video suggestions. I'd be happy to make those videos if you suggest a content I should make. And yeah, I guess that's about it. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment to this video. And do the same for the other videos that I've made as well. This is upSchool. Greatness starts here. Signing off.